Greetings and welcome to this Highway 528 tunnel update. Exciting news from Brightline and Brevard County regarding the 528 tunnel installation plan. It is now confirmed that the highway will indeed be closed during this tunnel box jacking operation. The overall period of closures and restricted traffic will be from Sunday night, March 14th, to Tuesday morning, March 30th. To quote the release, full road closures, 10 p.m. Sunday, March 14th to 5 a.m. Monday, March 15th. 10 p.m. Monday, March 29th to 5 a.m. Tuesday, March 30th. In between those closures, traffic will be reduced to one lane in each direction on the westbound lanes first and later the eastbound lanes. The Industry Road eastbound on-ramp will be closed from 10 p.m. Sunday, March 14th through Tuesday morning, March 30th. The release includes a link to a time-lapse video of the Goldenrod Road box jacking project. I've included that link below. So mark your calendars, 10 p.m. Sunday, March 14th to 5 a.m. Tuesday, March 30th for road closures and detours. Look for official notices online and in the newspaper. Thanks for watching this Brightline construction update, and keep the feedback coming. I've included the link to the Brightline video in the comments below. Give this a like and subscribe for future updates. Cheers!